Slow English Podcast. Hi everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Talks. Today, I'm going to tell you how I usually spend my weekend. My weekend starts on Friday evening. After a long week of work, I like to relax at home. I usually order some food, watch a movie, or play video games with my friends online. On Saturday morning, I wake up a little late and make myself a big breakfast, usually pancakes or eggs and coffee. Then I like to go outside. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park or meet my friends for lunch. In the afternoon, I might do some shopping or read a book. On Sunday, I try to prepare for the new week. I clean my apartment, do my laundry, and plan my schedule. But I also make sure to rest and spend time with my family. In the evening, I like to watch a TV series before going to bed early. That's how I usually spend my weekend. How about you? What do you like to do when you have free time?